Greetings, fellow wordsmiths and aspiring online writers. In the ever-expanding digital landscape, opportunities for freelance writers and employers seeking quality content abound. However, it's crucial to tread carefully and be aware of the potential pitfalls that can turn your online writing gig into a costly misadventure. We'll delve into the most common and costly mistakes to avoid, ensuring a smoother journey toward success for both freelance writers and employers alike. 1. Neglecting to define clear expectations. For employers, setting clear expectations is paramount when engaging freelance writers. Vague instructions or a lack of communication can result in misunderstandings and subpar work. On the other hand, writers should also ensure they fully understand the project requirements, deadlines, and desired outcomes to avoid wasting time and effort. Consequence: miscommunication can lead to missed deadlines, revisions, and frustrated parties on both ends. 2. Failing to conduct thorough research. For writers, neglecting research can be a costly mistake that compromises the quality and accuracy of their work. Inadequate research can result in factual errors, poor writing, and an overall lack of credibility. Employers, too, should invest time in finding writers who possess subject matter expertise or are willing to delve deeply into a topic before embarking on a project. Consequence: inaccurate content can damage a writer's reputation and undermine the employer's credibility, potentially leading to loss of clients or readership. 3. Ignoring the power of editing and proofreading. Both writers and employers should recognize the importance of meticulous editing and proofreading. Rushing through these crucial steps can lead to embarrassing typos, grammatical errors, and a lack of polish in the final product. A comprehensive review process ensures a professional and error-free outcome. Consequence: sloppy mistakes can harm the writer's reputation, reflect poorly on the employer's brand, and diminish the overall quality of the content. 4. Overlooking proper compensation. Freelance writers must value their time, skills, and expertise. Accepting gigs that offer inadequate compensation can lead to burnout, resentment, and compromised motivation. Employers should recognize the value of quality writing and offer fair compensation to attract talented writers who will produce exceptional content. Consequence: underpaid writers may